Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variable. An equation having two variables and degree 1, 3x plus y is equal to 10, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. An equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real number and a and b are not both 0 is called linear equation in two variable x and y. Graphical representation of a linear equation in two variable is a straight line. Graphical method. Pair of lines x minus 2y is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. A1 by A2, 1 by 3, B1 by B2 minus 2 by 4, C1 by C2, 0 by 20. A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. Intersecting line होगा. Unique solution. 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. 2 by 4 आएगा. 3 by 6 minus 9 by 18. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. कोइंसिडेंट लाइन होगा. इन्फिनाइटली सॉल्यूशन. x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 आएगा. 2 by 4 minus 4 by 12. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Parallel line, no solution. 1 is coincident, 2 is inconsistent, and 3 is dependent and consistent. Equation which has no solution is called an inconsistent pair of linear equation. Equation which has solution is called a consistent pair of linear equation. Equation which has infinitely many distinct common solutions. Such a pair is called a dependent pair of linear equation in two variable. Algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equations. Substitution method. Substitution method is used to solve the linear equation of the equation of one or more variables. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus 2y is equal to 3. फ्रॉम 1 x y की जगह पे 5 माइनस एक्स रख देंगे, पुट कर देंगे टू सेकेंड इक्वेशन में. x 4 आएगा. y इज इक्वल्स टू निकाल लेंगे तो x इतना y इतना. रिमार्क. We have substitute the value of one variable by expressing it in the terms of other variable of solving the pair of linear equation. That is why the method is known as substitution method. Elimination method. The elimination method in this process of solving the system of equation by cancelling unknown in the system. In this method we cancel out one variable. X plus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 3. ऐड करेंगे 1 and 2 को. x यहाँ पे 4 आएगा, पुट कर दो x को इक्वेशन 1 में. y इतना आ गया तो x इतना y इतना. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. This is algebraic method involve cross multiplication technique. GF of pair of linear equation. जनरल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके निकाल रहे हैं. लीनियर इक्वेशन इज a1x b1y c1 इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड a2x b2y c2 इज इक्वल टू 0 वेयर a b एंड a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 आर रियल नंबर. 1 में b2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -2 इंटू b1 ये करेंगे तो ये इतना आएगा. x इज इक्वल टू इतना एंड सिमिलरली y इज इक्वल्स टू इतना. Equation reducible to pair of linear equation in two variable. This method we reduce the value of equation which is given as a fraction may not be. By this method we solve this type of equation easily. 2 by x 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 2. Put 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equals to b. तो 3 इंटू 4 4 इंटू 3 करके ए की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, पुट कर देंगे ए को इक्वेशन में, बी निकल जाएगा तो एक्स एंड वाई निकल गया यहाँ से.